This video demonstrates how to use file output. We have a program on the right which outputs 20 random numbers. And we have a loop from 0 to I less than 20. And we output a random number that's going to be between the value 0 and 4. So let's take a look at how the program runs. And we got some random numbers. There's 20 of them. I could run it again. We get a different sequence of numbers. Excellent. Now let's convert this over to using the output to file. So instead of outputting with cout, which will go to the console, instead we'll output to a file. So what we need to do is create a OF stream, and we'll call it the output file stream. And then we should open the output file, and we're going to create a file called 20nums, because this contains 20 numbers. And let's see how we're doing so far. Compile. I have an error on line 8 telling me the aggregate OS stream has incomplete type and cannot be defined. Okay, it's because I'm forgetting to include the fstream library for file stream. There we go. We can run that program, and we just get the random values outputted here. And that's good so far. All right. So if we've opened the file, we should make sure that the file has actually opened. And so there's a function called isOpen. And if this is not open, so if it's not open, then we should output could not open file 20nums.txt as an output message, and then we'll end the program with the return 1. This return 1 indicates this is an error on return. Usually we return 0, telling us that no errors have occurred, but a return 1 tells us an error has occurred. Okay, good so far. Let's see if we're doing this right. Compile, execute. Going well so far. Since we've opened the file, we should also close the file at a later point. So I'm going to close the file towards the end of the program just by adding output fs.close to close that stream. How are we doing? We're doing well. All right, the last step is to redirect where my random numbers are going. So instead of outputting to screen using cout, I'm going to output to fs to our file, and then just copy the exact same output that was going. So I'm just redirecting the stream of where the random numbers are going. Now they're going to file. So let's compile, and we execute. We didn't get any output this time, but when we open up the 20nums.txt, we can see there are our output values. 3020, etc. Could run that program again, and we get a different. We have 3030 this time. A suggestion before outputting to file could be to output to your screen so you can verify that the output looks good, and then you can easily just redirect to the file. All right, thank you.